Find the best refrigerators you can buy on Amazon and Aliexpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best refrigerators you can buy on the market. 1.
Cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-door refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the PRESERVA food care system. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
2. Three. 4. 4. 5.